Waughs Road Level Crossing. Now this level crossing, up until this year, it used to have Griswold Mechanical bells on either side of the crossing. However though, earlier this year, I think it was around February they got replaced. So we've now got 2 Western Cullen Hayes E-bells on either side of the crossing, and 5 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights, as you can see. And the set of lights over there has been replaced with a set of Western Cullen Hayes LED lights. And we've also got 2 Wabco barrier mechanisms on either side of the crossing, as you can see. In fact, the bell on that side over there, it actually used to be a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell originally, and then that got replaced with a Griswold. And we've also got 2 Westinghouse Control Boxes, as you can see. Now, I did plan to film this level crossing whilst this level crossing still had the mechanical bells. I did plan on filming it. However, though, unfortunately, they replaced the bells though before I got the chance to, which is a bit of a shame. But yeah, it had to happen at some point, though, I guess. So yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for some trains.